Hey guys, welcome back. So today it will be a very quick video. Usually I want to make first of all a comparison video between the iPhone 4S running iOS 7 and the 4S on iOS 6, so compare these. But today just my package arrived, so I decided to do another one. I had prepared one where I restored back to original shape and very good condition, mint condition, the iPhone 3G. So today we're gonna unbox this package. So as you read in the title, you already know what it is. So if we open it up in here, and you can tell what it is. And yes, this is awesome. It's a boxed iPod Touch first generation. So in the front, it's the John Lennon version. So it isn't that rare. So here we have 16 gigs iPod Touch, 16 gigs, and the iPod itself. It's on the back. So just what's included in the box and what you need to focus. What you need. So then here's serial number and stuff. So it's a 16 gigabyte version, and I'd say just let it open. Before I open it, I gotta say I bought another one on Wednesday, so a week ago. It's running iOS 1.1.4, as you can tell. It's in good condition, no scratches on the screen almost, so that's pretty nice. And this runs iOS 1.1.5, so I paid about the same price for both of these, and yeah, so that's okay. Whoops. So this is cracked and it does have a battery issue, and the back is very scratched, but not too terrible. So I'll clean the back, polish the back to see how it is. And yeah, so I quickly charge it and see when it's done. So plug it just in, see what happens. So it turns on, that's cool. As you can tell, just let it charge a few. And here is the rest of the box. So nothing else in here, but it's pretty awesome to have an iPod Touch first generation box. So what's in here? Maybe some Apple stickers. That would be really awesome. So quick start, important product, and ooh, awesome Apple products. Apple stickers, I mean. Awesome. So just put it in again. And I see you when the iPod has charged. The iPod just booted up and it doesn't charge. So just quickly jump into general and about. And you can see this runs iOS 1.1.5, which is pretty awesome. So guys, this is it already. I hope you liked that quick video. And other than that, it's in 4K 60 frames per second. If you're wondering the quality, it's filmed by my 8 Plus. And yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope to see you in the next video. Please make sure to subscribe and like this video, and peace out.